Have you ever delved deep into the enigma of the Bermuda Triangle, that notorious expanse of sea where vessels and aircraft seem to disappear without a trace? Welcome to all of the undeciphered, as we venture into the captivating mystery of the Bermuda Triangle. What might seem like an unremarkable span of water has, for years, bewitched the global consciousness, transforming into a symbol of inexplicable happenings and unresolved enigmas. Situated off the southeastern coast of the United States, this maritime riddle, also referred to as the Devil's Triangle, forms an imagined triangle with its vertices touching Miami, Florida in the United States, Bermuda, a North Atlantic island, and San Juan, Puerto Rico. Encompassing roughly a colossal 1,000,000 square miles of the Atlantic Ocean, it's a vast realm that conceals secrets beneath its surging waves. In this ordinary stretch of ocean, tales of surreal incidents associated with the Bermuda Triangle have been narrated from generation to generation. Ships disappearing in calm weather, aircraft vanishing at cruising altitudes, navigational compasses spinning erratically off course. These are just the tip of the iceberg when accounting for the weird happenings reported in this region. But it's not just the magnitude of disappearances that piques interest, it's also the peculiarities surrounding them. An array of these incidents occur under clear skies and serene seas, with no distress signals sent out, no wreckage discovered, and no survivors left to narrate the uncanny story. Now let's delve deeper into the numerous theories attempting to elucidate these phenomena. Some researchers attribute the disappearances to strong underwater currents or magnetic anomalies, which could potentially cause havoc with navigation equipment. Others propound more fanciful explanations, like extraterrestrial kidnappings or even a gateway to another dimension. Still, despite decades of persistent investigation and a myriad of theories, the Bermuda Triangle remains an enigma, its mysteries as profound and unfathomable as the depths of the ocean it covers. Its fascination lies in the unknown, in the innate human urge to investigate, comprehend, and conquer the uncharted. But how did we come to learn about the Bermuda? Let's plunge deeper into its discovery and the historical context that brought its infamy to light. The Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, wasn't always a source of bewilderment. This infamous area, stretching between the points of Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, was relatively unnoticed for centuries, quietly holding its secrets beneath the waves. The first mentions of the triangle's peculiarities date back to the late 15th century with the voyage of Christopher Columbus. He reported seeing strange lights and experiencing erratic compass readings, although these accounts were largely dismissed as navigational errors or natural phenomena. However, the triangle began to gain its eerie reputation in the 20th century when a series of unexplained disappearances occurred in the area. The most notable of these was the infamous Flight 19 incident in 1945. 5 Navy torpedo bombers, known as the Lost Patrol, vanished without a trace during a routine training mission. Despite extensive search efforts, no wreckage or bodies were ever found. This incident sparked a media frenzy, and the Bermuda Triangle quickly became synonymous with mystery and intrigue. Over the next few decades, numerous ships and aircraft were reported missing in the area, further fueling the legends. Each disappearance seemed to defy explanation, and the triangle's reputation grew. The lack of definitive evidence led to widespread speculation and countless theories. Some suggested supernatural forces, while others pointed to extraterrestrial involvement. The Bermuda Triangle was no longer just a geographical location. It had become a symbol of the unexplained, a place where the rules of reality seemed to bend and twist. Despite the mounting mystery, scientific communities remained skeptical. Many argued that the disappearances were merely coincidences or the result of human error or natural disasters. Yet, the allure of the unknown continued to captivate the public's imagination. As the years passed, the Bermuda Triangle continued to baffle and bewitch. Let's explore some of the most intriguing incidents. From vanishing aircrafts to disappearing vessels, the Bermuda Triangle has claimed numerous victims. This vast expanse of ocean, stretching between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, has been the setting for some of the most puzzling incidents in maritime history. One of the most notorious incidents occurred in March 1918 when the USS Cyclops, a massive naval cargo ship, disappeared without a trace. The Cyclops, carrying over 300 crew members and a full load of manganese ore, was en route from Barbados to Baltimore. But the ship and all aboard vanished, Despite extensive search efforts, no wreckage or debris was ever found. The disappearance of the USS Cyclops remains the single largest loss of life in U.S. naval history, not directly involving combat. But the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle aren't confined to the 20th century. Take, for instance, the tale of the Mary Celeste. This merchant brigantine set sail from New York in November 1872, bound for Italy. Less than a month later, the Mary Celeste was found adrift off the Azores Islands. The ship was in good condition and still seaworthy. Its cargo was mostly untouched, yet the crew had vanished. To this day, their fate remains a mystery. And then, there's the infamous Flight 19. In December 1945, 5 Navy torpedo bombers took off from a base in Florida for a routine training mission. The flight leader was an experienced pilot, and the weather was clear. Yet, all 5 planes disappeared. A search and rescue aircraft sent to find them also vanished. No trace of the planes or the crew has ever been found. These are but a few examples of the enigmatic incidents that have occurred within the confines of the Bermuda Triangle. Each one is a chilling reminder of the unexplained and potentially deadly phenomena that seem to haunt this stretch of ocean. These incidents have sparked numerous theories, but what do scientists say about the Bermuda Triangle? The Bermuda Triangle has not only captured the public's imagination, but also piqued scientific interest. Now, let's dive into some of the scientific theories that have been proposed to demystify the Bermuda Triangle. Remember, these are just theories, not definitive answers. The enigma of the Bermuda Triangle is such that it invites a multitude of explanations, each one as intriguing as the next. First off, we have the theory of magnetic anomalies. This idea suggests that the Bermuda Triangle is a place where true north and magnetic north align. In most parts of the world, these two are not the same, and navigational equipment compensates for the difference. But within the Bermuda Triangle, if this theory holds, compasses could potentially point to true north, leading to navigational confusion and, subsequently, disaster. Next up is the theory of methane gas hydrates. This theory posits that the ocean floor of the Bermuda Triangle might be home to large deposits of this gas. If disturbed, these deposits could erupt, releasing gas bubbles that reduce the water's density. This could, theoretically, cause a ship to sink swiftly and without warning. And if the gas manages to reach the surface and the atmosphere, it could also potentially cause aircraft engines to fail. Last but certainly not least, we have the theory of rogue waves. These are massive, unexpected, and suddenly appearing waves that can be extremely dangerous. They're not exclusive to the Bermuda Triangle, but their unpredictable nature could play a part in the region's reputation for unexplained disappearances. Although these theories provide plausible explanations, the Bermuda Triangle remains shrouded in mystery. Each theory has its share of skeptics and proponents, and none have been definitively proven or disproven. The Bermuda Triangle, it seems, will continue to challenge our understanding and ignite our curiosity for the foreseeable future. Despite the advancements in technology, the Bermuda Triangle continues to puzzle us with recent unexplained events. Just in the past few years, there have been several incidents that have left us scratching our heads. A cargo ship, for instance, vanished without a trace in the dead of night in early 2023. Despite extensive search efforts, no wreckage or signs of the crew were ever found. Then, there was the private yacht that sent out a distress signal in mid-2024, only to disappear from radar minutes later. Rescue teams found nothing but empty sea where the yacht should have been. These events are not isolated. They add to the growing list of mysteries associated with the Bermuda Triangle. It seems that the more we probe into this enigma, the more questions we uncover. This constant sense of uncertainty is what fascinates us, what keeps us coming back for more. The Bermuda Triangle, with its deep waters and deeper mysteries, has become a symbol of the unexplained. It has seeped into our culture, inspiring countless books, movies, and television shows. Yet the Bermuda Triangle is more than just a pop culture phenomenon. It's a reminder of the vast unknown that still exists in our world. It's a testament to the limits of our understanding, a challenge to our curiosity. It represents the human thirst for knowledge, the drive to uncover the truth that lies beneath the surface. As we continue to investigate the Bermuda Triangle, we must remember that there's always more to learn, more to understand. We must remain humble in the face of the unknown, and never stop questioning, never stop exploring. The Bermuda Triangle, a symbol of the unexplained, continues to captivate and confound us. But isn't that the beauty of it all? Isn't that what makes life so endlessly fascinating? So let's keep diving into the mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle, and let's keep diving into the mysteries of the world. Because the world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. And who knows? You might just be the one to uncover the next big secret. Remember, the world is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. So keep exploring.